chance gone.
कईयों की पुरजोश दादे तहसीन अपनी ही बॉल पर, हालांकि वो खासे दूर.
You shouldn't be so disappointed.
Yes, he's had his share of luck. He's been asked to come back. Let's see that again. And
Well,
there was the appeal.
I cannot see him playing that ball.
I don't. So India have lost Srikanth. They are 66 for 4.
He's called back.
Well, technically speaking, has no authority to do that.
Yes.
But
कैच पकड़ा.
The umpire changed his decision.
we'll have to see what's happening. Whether he's been asked to come back by the captain. The captain,
Yeah.
yes, because Srikanth did say he had indicated that he had played the ball. And then he had clearly expressed his displeasure. And he's been asked to come back. Let's see that again. And
Well,
there was the appeal. And
I cannot see him playing that ball.
I don't either.
Not in the picture.
And now he's gone, this time out. Caught behind. Well bowled, Waqar Younis. Justice has been done. So, we've had a little bit of drama here.
Played inside the line of the ball.
So, Srikanth, who had been given out.
He simply could not move his feet.
Yes.
He missed the line completely.
Came back, whether the umpire called him back or whether the captain did, with the advice, was out the very next ball.
That was indeed a very good gesture.
Yes.
If Imran had called it.
Yes. But here he is, the dismissal of Srikanth. Played 64 balls for his 31. And a triumphant